it's my, you're videotaping now?
Yes. Yes.
Hello, it is my great pleasure to have a talk about my university and then the School of Engineering and then particularly Department of Materials Engineering. My name is Hagen Lee. Now I'm responsible for the position of Vice President of Academic Affairs for the entire university. But very recently, this university has been transformed, is still under transformation. So we were originally from Ministry of Education. Now we have been transferred to Ministry of Science and Technology to put more focus and more emphasis into science and technology under Ministry of Science and Technology. We are proud of it because we must be responsible for the future of science and technology of this country. So we are still under restructuring stage. Once we have completed our structure, we will be very ambitious to put a big step into science and technology of Ethiopia. And there's particularly the School of Engineering will be going under very strong, very big transformation. So once it's completed, also it will make a big jump from current state to much advanced state. In particular, the materials engineering, which was established about 2 years ago under auspices of Korean government, and then also one of the universities in Korea, which is called the POSTEC. Now it's somewhat in the middle of the completion of department, but materials engineering in general is very important for any industry in the world. Materials sometimes called backbone of industry. So without materials, you can hardly imagine any industry development. So the materials covers from metallurgy, and then the materials, polymers, ceramics, and semiconductors, you name it, and then everything you can think of materials, it is a materials engineering. So it's very important. In order for Ethiopian industry to develop, materials engineering must develop in advance because it's a backbone material. Without backbone, nobody can stand up in place. So likewise, without material, no industry can grow big. Small growing may be possible. If you really like to make a big step of any industry, materials has to back up that particular industry. That's why materials engineering is so important for the future of this country. So we are very proud of having materials engineering established in this university, that we are actually look forward to a big growth, not only the education, but also research. We are very also proud of our students because they are working very hard under the Western style standard of studying and then the practical experiments. So once they have completed study at this department, we will really expect they will do big contribution to the development of the industry of this country. So I myself is specialized in metallurgy, particularly ferrous metallurgy. Even though I'm working here as an administrative step, as an academic vice president, if I have a chance, I'd like to also contribute to the development of a metallurgical industry of this country. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.